the ground. Hit the ground. Hit the ground. Hit the ground. Hit the ground. That's my intro from now on. Oh, I've got the best intro. No, that's not too much.
Ryan, we learned this song.
Yeah, I know. Okay, guys, so today I'm going to be doing Puppet Football Clicker. I played it quite a bit. I played it for about 15 minutes or so. I've got bits where you have to, it's basically clicker. You kick the thing, you have to tap the ball, you can buy stuff. You can buy stuff from here as well. So, but I didn't start from stuff, so. Stop. No. And there's clouds in this as well. I need to destroy them. Click shot. You can get that. Or I can get that. Or that. I will get this. Don't know why. Plus 68.
What?
Okay. Yeah, if you can hear the music, that's just from my brother's tablet. He's playing Roblox. There we go. Run up. No, get the food. You have to click the food to get extra points as well. Tap. Put these back for silver.
Ryan,
Tap. Oh yeah, my song's on, guys. Look. I will tell you when it's past. That's the only time that I'll be back. You're watch advertisement for board. No. That's the only time that I've called you. Man, you when you touch me. Not feel me when I'm. Just feel me when I'm. Feel me, yeah. Yeah, there is a lot about adverts. Keep it simple. Amen, keep it up, don't seem so simple. Okay. So.
That's no girl song. That's no girl song. I'm singing it.
I'm gonna live life for the moment. And I don't even know
That's me.
I only tell you when it's half past. That's the only time that I'll be back. Yeah. Okay, so this song's changed. I know this one. Cup King in it, I think. Yeah. Wait. Well, what one is this? It's like 31, I know that. I can't remember what this is. I know who it is, but I can't remember what song it is. Oh, yeah. It's not good.
Happy house. What? Happy house. It's not stop raining. Raining tellies. What on earth have it killed you? Did you start? Did you just start? Yeah.
Hey guys, I'm still about the noise. That's it. Crazy. Hey, you're just a bit crazy.
I'm sorry. Not my fault. I was crazy.
It is. This is crazy. That one's over. Okay guys, I'm really sorry about singing. Just so used to it, you know. Oh, I didn't mean to do this. I did not mean to do this. Okay, I don't know this one. Wait, do I? I might.
Hey guys.
Yeah, that is cute. I like that. Oh, do not touch my football.
Ryan.
No, do not touch my football.
Ryan.
Yeah?
Think Sophia, she just slapped me with her pom-pom on the coat.
Leave this house alone.
Huh?
Leave my ball alone. Move everyone, why do you hate me? Why do you want to eat my football? Leave me alone, I said.
What?
Dun, 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 dun. It's fine stuff. Move, 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 move. Get away. Playground. How much are there? Okay. No! Stop coming up with adverts. Skin's so annoying. I don't know why I'm doing it. Why does it keep coming up with adverts to... Wait. Fresh meat. Just get those. I'm gonna end this video soon. Okay. I just wanna get to the 1,000 million thing. Whatever that number is. No, 100,000 million. Whatever. tacos. What is that? Tacos. Mango surprise. It's raining tacos. And a midnight. All you can eat. Raining tacos. Okay guys, I'm gonna end this video here. So see you guys in the next video and bye.